Hi, today we will learn deforestation mapping in a Google Earth engine. We use the satellite data, Sentinel-2 satellite data for deforestation mapping. And as you know, the vegetation reflects the more near-infrared, near and absorb the red light during the photosynthesis, and the normalized difference vegetation index or NDVI is widely used spectral index for leverage this property and as you know, NDVI equal near infrared minus red, divide near infrared plus red, and NDVI range from -1 to +1, and healthy vegetation 0.3 to 0.8, and bare soil or degraded vegetation lower than a zero point 0.2. By comparing the NDVI values before and after suspected deforestation period, we can detect the areas where vegetation health has declined significantly, often due to forest loss degradation. And we use it this in Amazon areas and for deforestation area, land use change detection. And first of all, we need to define the area of interest with creating the bounding box. If you don't know how can use the bounding box, you can watch the video about this. We set at the start region the Amazon, and we define the before and after period, before starts and before end, after starts and after end. We need to use the Landsat data. We use the Landsat for the deforestation mapping, and we used it in another video, the Sentinel-2 data. And we use this bonds and need to convert raw SAR bond to the top of atmosphere reflectance using the scaling factors. And after this, we can create the image composite like this with the function of start and end for the Landsat 9. We use this dataset. You can see this dataset on Earth Engine data catalog and filter the bonds by cloud cover, filter the dates, and we use the 20% cloud cover, and we use the median for composite, and load before and after the deforestation with this function we defined above, and compute the NDVI for both before and after with the calc NDVI function. We define the calc NDVI with the normalized difference B5 and B4, and we name it to NDVI, and calculate the NDVI difference with the NDVI after subtract NDVI before, and we name it to NDVI difference, and highlight the negative NDVI change, strong vegetation loss, possibility deforestation. And the final step is mapping the added layer on a map, the image before and after, and deforestation. And we use the red color for the find the deforestation area. And if we run this code, you can see we have a three layer, two color before and two color after. And you can turn off and on, off and on. You can see this is a before, this is a after. We have some changes here and here. And if we turn on the live of a detected deforestation, you can see, yeah, we can detect the deforestation areas. And you can use this code for any area of interest and any time of range. And if you're interested to the deforestation, you can watch the video about the deforestation mapping with the Sentinel-2 satellite. Thank you for your watching. Please like and subscribe our channels.